Mimi here, and I have a new type of video for you today. I don't normally do, actually I've never done this type of video. I was asked to review a product, and at first I have been asked to review other products and I've turned them down, but I was kind of intrigued about this one. They actually sent me 2 products, and I opened the box just so I wasn't sitting here trying to fiddle with it while on video for you. But I'm excited about this one. It's perfect for this time of year. I'm going to share it with you. And of course, please, if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing to our channel. We always have read alouds and activities and circle time, and we'd love to have you in our family. Please hit the like button as well. In the description below, you'll find a discount link to get your own. Let's review this product. So, this box, isn't it nice? I love, 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 love the colors. It's called the Rainbow Blanket, and it is from the brand ELEGEAR. Can you see that? Now, on here it says that it is heat warm at 2 degrees Celsius. Now here in the States we go by Fahrenheit, but I will put somewhere on here what that translates to in Fahrenheit. It is skin friendly, so if you're one of those people, especially in the wintertime, that gets eczema or really dry skin or sensitive skin, this should be a good product for you. It's moisture wicking, which means that if you're sweating, it'll take that moisture right away. There's tie-dye technology. I wonder what that is. Double flannel, which means it should be really, really cozy and warm. I don't know about by you, but over here we get snow. It's freezing in the winter. And it's machine washable, which is perfect because, you got to be able to wash it and not have to worry about taking it to the dry cleaners or, doing it by hand. Now, the size of this is 60 by 80 inches. And let's open it up. I'm so excited. I have not looked at this yet. Oh, I'm going to show you my first glance. Look at the beautiful colors there. And it's super duper soft. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So excited. And it's so, yikes, it's so fluffy it won't come out. Okay, so I have my box. Oh, and it's got a really pretty label here. Just looks just like the box. Beautiful. You can wash it and just don't use bleach or an iron. You can tumble dry it, which is great. You don't want to be hanging that up on a clothesline. I'm going to open this up and let's see what this looks like. Okay. Oh my, look at, oh, I'm telling you, this is like cuddling with your teddy bear. That's how nice that is. Look at the beautiful, vibrant colors through this whole, it's huge. It's absolutely huge. You could definitely fit a couple of you under here. You could definitely fit at least 2 or 3 people. You and your kids can cuddle under here while watching the Christmas movies with your cup of hot cocoa. That's definitely the type of blanket this is. It's great for your couch, for a kid's bedroom, for, if you're deciding to have a sleepover, this is the perfect blanket. And to be honest with you, oh my God, I was going to give it as a gift when I heard, I was like, oh, this will be perfect. It'll go nice for, I might keep it for myself. It's so lovely. I mean, it's soft, it's warm, keep my tootsies warm while I'm watching my movies, and it's perfect for this time of year. And it comes in a couple different colors. It's like this one, the pastel type of vibrant tie-dye, and I believe it had like a purple blue tie-dye blanket as well. I'll put the link below, discount for you if you shop through the link. And yes, you are going to want this because it's not some little tiny thing that's only going to fit one person. It can fit the whole family underneath, and it's super duper soft. And the fact that it's, you know, machine and dryer washable is awesome. And it's just the perfect gift for this time of year, you know, with winter and people get, you know, I could see, you know, and even if you're sick, it'll make you feel better. It just, I mean, this is beautiful. The colors, the softness, everything about it, I'm in love with. So you definitely, this would be a great Christmas gift. It would be a great birthday gift. I know my daughter, she's a cheerleader, and they do a Secret Santa every year. And every year, like clockwork, the person she gets always requests a fuzzy blanket. Actually, I know she requested a fuzzy blanket too, because they're popular with the kids, with the teenagers. They love them. So it's the perfect gift to get someone. And I know I would you know me and my books. I will be cuddled under this thing with a book, my cup of tea, or my hot cocoa, and this will be the best, softest blanket I own. So definitely give it 2 thumbs up for a review, and have a happy holiday and a happy and healthy new year to all of you from Kids Stories and More. And we will see you in the new year. Bye-bye.